Hidden headlights. In 1936, this car was decades ahead of its time. Before Ferrari, before Corvette, America had already built a supercar that looked like it came straight from the future. This is the story of the 1936 Cord 810 and 812, the car that changed everything. To at Car AUG 765, the channel where classic machines come back to life. If you love vintage cars, unique engineering, and timeless American design, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another automotive legend. Today, we're diving deep into one of America's most futuristic creations. The 1936 Cord 810 and 812. A car that looked like it rolled straight out of the future, even before the world had imagined such technology. Imagine the mid-1930s. Most cars had boxy shapes, exposed lights, and simple designs. Then came the Cord 810, with a sleek, curved body, a long pointed hood, and smooth, chrome details. It looked like nothing else on the road. The Cord 810 was built by the Auburn Automobile Company of Indiana, and designed by Gordon Burig, a true genius of American automotive design. He created a car that wasn't just beautiful, it was revolutionary. Let's talk about those hidden headlights. The Cord was the first American car ever to feature them. Drivers had to crank a small handle on the dashboard to lift the headlights out from the fenders. A feature that would become popular decades later in cars like the Corvette and Porsche 944. The long front grille gave the car its nickname, the coffin nose Cord. It looked aggressive, mysterious, and full of character. Under that nose sat a 4.7-liter Lycoming V8 engine, producing around 125 horsepower. And it powered the front wheels, not the rear, making the Cord one of the world's earliest front-wheel drive production cars. The transmission was advanced too, a semi-automatic 4-speed pre-selector gearbox. Drivers could select gears in advance using a small lever near the steering wheel, and then engage the gear by pressing the clutch once. It was like the earliest step toward modern automatic systems. Inside, the Cord 810 was pure luxury. Chrome-rimmed gauges, aircraft-inspired styling, leather seats, and a futuristic dash layout. Everything was carefully crafted to make the driver feel like they were piloting an airplane rather than a car. In 1937, Cord introduced the improved 812 model, featuring optional supercharging, boosting power up to 170 horsepower. Those supercharged models had iconic external exhaust pipes on each side of the hood, giving them an unforgettable presence and sound. But here's the tragic part of the story. Even though the Cord 810 and 812 were ahead of their time, the company couldn't handle the high cost of production and complex mechanical systems. Sales were low, and by 1937, Cord had shut down completely. It was the end of an incredible dream, but the beginning of a timeless legend. Today, the 1936 Cord 810-812 stands as a symbol of American innovation and courage. You'll find beautifully restored examples in museums and high-end auctions across the U.S. Collectors and historians call it the car that predicted the future. Even Hollywood couldn't ignore its beauty. The Cord has appeared in classic films and exhibitions as the car that defined elegance and daring design. It's also part of the Smithsonian Institution's collection, recognized as one of the most important automotive designs in history. And just imagine this, when people see a Cord drive by at a vintage car show, they don't just see a vehicle, they see a piece of art on wheels. That's the power of the 1936 Cord, a car that didn't just transport people. It transported imagination. The Cord 810 and 812 weren't perfect cars, but they were visionary cars. And sometimes, being ahead of your time is what makes you truly unforgettable. So, next time you see those hidden headlights or sleek curves, remember, that's not just design, that's American innovation at its best. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Car AUG 765. Your support helps keep the spirit of classic cars alive, one legend at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.